This is gonna be the before and hopefully a better after. We got some trash to take out. We've got to go through this whole heap, try to fix this mess. We got a long way to go. Sometimes you gotta make a bigger mess to clean up a mess. We cleared out this area back here, just kind of pushed everything back. We got another pile here. Made a little dent on this. Long way to go. Long way to go. We took 2 truckloads off, so we'll see. I don't know. You know, 3 weeks ago we went out. It's been 3 weeks now since the refrigerator went out, and we still haven't bought a refrigerator yet. We use a little garage fridge. Been busy. I like this one. It does have the water right here. Convenient. But I don't need all this. We don't need all this.